Wouldn't it be great if you could let your vehicle know where you wanted to go using only your voice? Thanks to your sync system, you can. Let me explain. To find a street address using voice commands, use the voice button
Please say a command.
and say, "Find a street address."
In Michigan, please say the street address including the city.
Sync will then ask for the street number, street name, and city. If there is more than one address that matches what you've given, a list of options will come up on your screen. Sync will ask you to choose the one that you want by saying the corresponding line number. When the address you've given comes up on screen, use the voice button and say, "Set as destination." Keep in mind, if you don't see the address you're looking for, you can say cancel and start again. If you're looking for an intersection, say destination, then intersection. Sync will then prompt you for additional information needed. Use the voice button and say, "Set as destination." To find a point of interest, or POI, like a nearby coffee shop, use the voice button, say navigation, destination,
Destination, please say street address, intersection, or POI.
then POI. Once you've told Sync how you want to search, Sync will ask you to choose the line number corresponding with the POI you want. And will tell you to use the voice button and say, "Set as destination." Once you've done so, you'll get a map with a flag indicating your destination and hear audible turn-by-turn directions too. If at any time you want to cancel a route, just use the voice button and say, "Cancel route." And since using voice commands lets you keep your hands on the wheel, you can stay focused on the road even while interacting with Sync.